Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by loading FL Studio's Pitch Shifter plugin, Pitcher for vocals or Pitch Shifter for generic audio, onto the mixer track carrying your sound. Once loaded, route the channel rack output into that mixer slot and check the input level. Make sure you're peaking around -6 dB so the effect has headroom. Now set the initial algorithm, formant preserving for vocals versus standard for instruments. This first step establishes a clean signal chain and the right processing mode before dialing pitch values. Now you'll actually change pitch and control tone. First choose semitone or sense mode, semitones for musical shifts, sense for fine-tuning, and set the amount. Try plus or -12 semitones for octave effects. Then enable formant control if you want to keep vocal character. Lowering formant shifts perceived vocal size while preserving pitch. Once done, balance the mix or dry-wet knob so the shifted signal blends naturally with the original. Small tweaks here prevent robotic artifacts and keep musicality. To finish, automate the pitch or mix controls for dynamic movement. Draw automation clips in the playlist to create climbs, drops, or vibrato effects. Next, render a test loop and listen critically for artifacts like zipper noise, phasing, or aliasing. Use solo and bypass to compare. If problems occur, reduce the shift amount, enable any smoothing or quality options, or add slight reverb to mask digital glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: when artifacts persist, lower the sample rate conversion load or switch to a higher quality algorithm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.